Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on a BMW 1 Series. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb and a screwdriver. Make sure your car's engine is off and completely cool to avoid burns. You'll find the headlight assembly behind the wheel arch liner, which we'll access next. This process is straightforward with the right preparation. Now, let's get to the bulb. Turn your steering wheel fully to the side you are working on. This gives you better access. Next, remove the screws holding the wheel arch liner in place. There are usually a few of them. Gently pull back the liner to reveal the headlight housing. Be careful not to damage it. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. And on another note, after you're done with your car, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the house. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the housing exposed, you can now replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Then, unclip the retaining spring that holds the bulb in place and carefully pull the old bulb out. Insert your new bulb, ensuring it's seated correctly, then reattach the retaining spring and the electrical connector. Test it before closing up.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.